Okay, YouTube. I tried doing this video like 5 times yesterday, and it made too much of a mess, and it was too long. So I'm gonna go through my EDC bag, but I will not go through the individual 2 kits that are in there. If you want separate videos on the kits, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do separate videos. That being said, let's get this done. This is my EDC bag. It is the Nutsack Satchel 13. I got this when the first stimulus checks came out, and through that and coupon codes, I was able to get this. This only works in my power chair. Okay, I basically just put my arm through, put the rest over my head, and it sits in my lap, and I'm off to the whatever event I need to go to. And I only take my bag on long day trips if I think I'm going to need this certain type of kit. And this is not a bug out bag or a get home bag. This is an EDC bag. Okay, so let's go through the front zipper pocket here. Electronic kit, charging cables for things, headphone adapters for my iPad and iPhone, things like that. And this is in an Expedition zipper pouch. Shout out to Flint Steel Survival. Kubotan. This is I made from Delrin, some sort of composite plastic. It is. I can't remember the company's name. Sorry about that. Reviews are on my channel. Of all 3 of the Kubotans they sent. Go check it out and let me know. They sent me this for free to review, so thank you to them. Tide pen, because CP and eating in a power chair at an establishment, you're gonna drop stuff on your pants. It's just fact. Pocket pen. Foldable phone stand in case I want to watch something on my phone. CRK eating tool. My parents gave me this for the holiday one year, and it's lived in my EDC bag just in case I need a utensil. Magnifier in case I need to look at something super close. My dad carried one of these for his profession, and I was always fascinated with it as a kid, and goes in my bag just in case I need one. Another pen. The knife, the folding knife in here is the lightest one I have, because this is a heavy bag to begin with. This is a Boker whose name I can't find, sent by Mild Manner EDC. So thank you to Brad. Big Red EDC gum, or Big Red gum. I think he sent this when I won the raffle from that giveaway. Another Tide pen, and a foldable comb from DMK Designed, I think he's going by at this point. So that's in there in case I need to fix my hair. A Notorious EDC electronic screen cloth. Big shout out to Tom there. Another pen. A more tactical flashlight. Pins. And that's it for the front zipper pouch. Now, to get into the big compartment here, this is my rigging kit. Paracord, other things to rig things up. If you want a separate video, let me know. Toolkit. You know, just in case I need to fix something up. If you want a separate video, let me know. Hank in the bag. I think this is from Fly Hanks on Instagram. Was nice enough to send that along. Knife was from D-Man 101. He was known by then. I think he's still DMK Productions. I have no idea. Haven't seen him in a while. Telescoping magnet. I'm going to keep this away from the computer because it'll screw up. It's okay, I'll pick that up later. Business card holder. I do have business cards for the channel. If I meet you and you ask about it, I will give you a business card. The bit extender for the Leatherman that's in the toolkit because it won't stay in there. And the cold steel holdout. I need to upgrade my defensive knife in the bag. And a Hinder Investigator pen. This I got years ago when my grandfather was still around and sent out money for the holidays. So there's that. And yeah, and guys, that's the bag. Oh, wait a minute. And in the back zipper pocket, a shoulder charger and a 3-pronged cable. You can get these on Amazon. Pretty affordable. They're by Anchor. Pretty much with this cable, I can charge my iPad, my headphones, and my phone, and not have to carry around 3 cables. Okay, so that's the bag. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you have any questions, you want a separate video on something, please let me know. I'll do it. Like I said, YouTube helps keep disabled services happy. Speaking of which, I have a check-in with my advisor on Wednesday. And I'll do if I have time, I'll do a video on that on Friday. because I need to go get my meds renewed. Again, CP life, and we'll talk about more CP stuff on another video. So again, let me know if you want separate videos on anything. Stay tuned, stay safe, and like I always say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.